Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. Today we're going up to this famous ROI-ET Tower.
Hi! Hi, we are here at the tower in ROI-ET. Second stop. Gapa kayo. Sexy kayo. Kanit Hamburg. Hi! Okay. The tower reveal. Asan ka si Adam ug si Kuya, no? Nawala si Adam ug si Kuya. Dito naman ito magtindog ganina, oh. Para sila rin, no? Okay, so this is the tower. Are you ready? This is tower, guys. We're going up. Ooh, ooh. There you go. That's it. Pictures at me.
So after picture taking, we come inside and we paid 50 baht for the entrance fee. And here is Adam with his aunt. They're going to take a picture. Okay, there you go, Adam. So after buying the ticket, you will be going up by elevator, and then at the entrance there is a person who will check your ticket. Now this time we're looking for that ticket. Oh, there you go. Okay, now we are ready. He's going to take your ticket and then scan it just like that, and he will give it back to you, and then go straight to the elevator. Okay, now don't worry, there is an operator inside the elevator, and yes, they're going to bring us to the 31st floor.
Piliun ng mga tao sa lawon. Oh, wow.
We're almost up there. We were at 31st. Finally, we have arrived. After we come out of the elevator, there was a person telling us on what to do. But since we cannot understand Thai, we assume that all we have to do is just look around and take a photo. And be careful, guys, when you are up there. And look at that beautiful view from the 31st floor. It's amazing, and we're thankful that we get to experience this one. Even Adam is also excited to look around and see, and yes, selfie of course. Yes. So they also have this telescope, but you have to put a coin in there so that you can use it. So we're going up using the stairs from the 31st going to the 34th floor. There was no elevator, so we have to go up walk up the stairs. And along the way, you will notice the very beautiful painting of this lavender color flower. It's really beautiful, guys, and you should take a photo in there. Don't be like me that I didn't get to take a photo in there. I was very busy with that app, so next time when I go back, I will take a photo. Okay, so here it is. Not the full picture though, but it's really beautiful, and also just like this one and this one. Yes, picture. When you get up on the 34th floor, this is what you will see. And yes, it's very windy at that time when you get there. It's very cold as well. And Adam is still walking. He doesn't want to be carried, guys, so let him walk. His feet is very dirty. Okay, when you get there, you have also to replace your slippers and shoes into these yellow and green slippers that they have prepared. Okay, I'm so sorry for the wind sound, guys. This is the glass floor. Okay, well, Adam is also excited. He wants to also experience it. And okay, so this is the glass floor that we have to step on, and I tell you guys, it's very scary when you look down, because look at that. Yes, it's very high. We are on the 34th floor. Yeah, yucks, super scary. If you are brave enough, then you should try it. And if you have fear of heights, you should face your fears. Adam is going straight. He didn't notice it yet at first, and then when he looked down, he back out, and then he wants to try one more time, and then back out again. I think he got scared also. And then back. Okay, now he left, doesn't want to go back anymore. And here is Tata. She wants to just sit down and slide, but then the personnel there told her that she's not allowed to do that. Okay, so the instruction was very confusing. She told us that we cannot sit on it. Alright, but at first we thought we cannot walk. So now we can walk, but we cannot sit. So final instruction: first, you're not allowed to lie down on the floor. Second, you're not allowed to sit down. And third, you're not allowed to make loud noises. Okay, so we're very sorry because we were very loud. But at first, there were only us, no other people. And then later, many other tourists came by, so we stopped talking. And here is Ate Gaga trying out, but she's too scared to walk at the center. She just walk on the beam. Okay, but still, good job. Okay, tanawid kayo guys. Tanawara ko na siya. O, di siya mutanaw siya sa ubos. Kaya hadlok siya. Pahawid pag yun. Na, tanawara. Okay, this is Kyla M. Isa pa po. Hadlok kanon kayo. Na, hala, sige. Ayaw lang jud og tanaw sa ubos. Kay para di ka mahadlok. Kay kung tanaw ka, agoy makulbaan nagkahadlok yun siya tinuod, promise. So even though it was very scary, we were still able to get a picture. Yes, look at that. Beautiful pictures. Thank you so much for joining us and for watching our vlog for today. And don't forget to subscribe. God bless everyone.